Hello everyone. I'm starting by taking some gray powder, which is a cement powder. Now, I'm carefully spooning the finely sieved powder into a clear plastic jar. This jar will serve as our mixing container, allowing me to measure and prepare the base for our unique fuel. Next, I'm taking an empty plastic bottle and cutting off the top section with a utility knife. This bottom portion will become a convenient measuring cup for the liquid component of our fuel. I'm trimming the rough edges of the plastic bottle base with scissors. A neat cut isn't just for aesthetics. It also ensures that our improvised measuring cup is stable and safe to handle during the process. Here, I'm pouring some used engine oil into our newly made plastic cup. This oil is an excellent combustible material that we'll be repurposing as the primary fuel source for our stove. Using a syringe, I'm carefully adding the engine oil to the cement powder in the jar. I'm doing this slowly to allow the powder to gradually absorb the oil, creating a rich, dense fuel mixture that will burn efficiently. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Now, let's work on the stove body. I'm taking an empty energy drink can and carefully cutting around the top edge with a utility knife. This will form one half of our mini stove. To make it safe and neat, I'm trimming any sharp edges on the cut can with scissors. This step is important for safety and to ensure the two can halves fit together perfectly. For the second can, I'm drilling a large central hole in the top using a conical drill bit. This central opening is crucial for the primary flame and for adding fuel to our stove. I'm swapping out the large drill bit for a smaller one. This precision is needed for the smaller ventilation holes. Using a marker, I'm marking a series of small dots evenly around the central hole. These marks indicate where I'll drill the smaller air holes for proper combustion. Now, I'm drilling those small holes around the central opening. These small holes are essential for regulating airflow, ensuring a stable and efficient flame once our stove is lit. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Just like the first can, I'm carefully cutting the top part of the second energy drink can with a utility knife. This will be the other half of our stove. Again, I'm trimming the edges of the newly cut can with scissors. Smooth edges prevent cuts and help the pieces fit snugly together. I'm carefully fitting two pieces of tin together to create the stove. It's important to get a good seal for optimal performance. Now for the mixing tool. I'm taking a long bolt, which will be the central shaft of our mixer. I'm tying several white cable ties around the bolt, creating a makeshift whisk. These ties will help effectively agitate and blend our fuel mixture, ensuring a consistent burn. To make our whisk perfectly functional, I'm trimming the excess ends of the cable ties. This gives us a compact and efficient mixing head. I'm attaching the bolt with the cable ties to my drill. This setup will give me the power and speed needed to thoroughly mix the thick fuel. I'm using the drill with our homemade whisk to mix the oil and powder in the jar. This ensures a homogeneous, thick and dark mixture, which is crucial for a steady and long-lasting flame. I'm separating the two parts of the stove again, as we're now ready to add the wicking material. I'm taking some steel wool and cutting it into smaller pieces with scissors. This steel wool will act as a wick, absorbing the fuel and allowing it to burn in a controlled manner. I'm carefully placing the cut steel wool into the bottom part of the can stove. Using a spoon, I'm scooping our dense black fuel mixture into the can, making sure the steel wool is well saturated. This is our long-burning fuel source, ready to be ignited. Finally, I'm carefully fitting the two parts together to assemble our finished compact stove. The tight fit ensures efficient air circulation and optimal burning. I'm lighting the stove with a match. See how easily it ignites. This homemade fuel and stove design create a powerful, steady flame. Look at that consistent, beautiful flame. This little stove, made from recycled materials and repurposed engine oil, is burning strongly and efficiently. It's perfect for emergency heating, cooking, or just a little ambience. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing things and give new life to items that would otherwise be waste. And there you have it, our incredible, multifunctional stove, ready for action. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools or utilities you'd like to see me create. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.